Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. Today we're looking at another accessory for your MetaQuest 2 headset. This one's a link cable by Kiwi Design. It's 16 feet long, has a couple cable clip accessories. We're going to unbox it here. I'll show you how to assemble it or how you can use it, and then I'll give a little bit of a preview of me using it, and we will go from there. If you want to use my promo code Brian Sloan, all capital letters, on the Kiwi website, you can get an extra 5% off, and I'll link that in the description below. Let's jump into this one. Alright, here we have the box that it came in. Nice and simple box. I've already taken out the top there, and we'll open this up and see what we have inside. Here is our user manual. It shows you your PC requirements and everything there. GPU lists for what is recommended for here. I'll post maybe a close-up of that. And then just if your card's not listed, they can't guarantee compatibility. But for the cord itself, it is nice and long, as you can see by what we got going on here. If we look at the ends here, they are, this is a little piece of metal here, rubber cord. It's not braided. I do like braided cords more than rubber cased ones, but that's okay. The port looks good on both of these here. We got the Kiwi Design. I guess that's upside down for you. Kiwi Design is there. Both those ports feel nice and solid and good. So on your headset here, you can, if you have a battery strap in there, you can unplug that. That clips in, wow, really nice. It feels nice and snug. That is not jiggling hardly at all. Yeah, like not at all. And then this end obviously goes into your PC. And so this one here, this white one, this one is the one that's meant to go onto the side of your headset. Since I use a battery head strap, I've already got one on there. And then this cord can fit perfectly through here. Once I take this other one out, and that can fit right in there and buckle in. And then this black one with the sticky part on the back is actually meant to go onto the side of your computer. So you can clip this into the side of your computer. Well, actually kind of like stick it right on. So you don't necessarily need one of these on there. That can just be an extra for there. Put this through the right spot. One of them might be a little bit smaller, and that's used for some other cables if there are smaller. And then you can have this clip right into your computer, and this just holds it stronger in your computer, so if you accidentally do pull it a little bit, it will kind of be absorbed by this instead of actually yanking your computer out or doing anything like that. That's kind of nice that it has that extra little feature there. I use I just have a Mac. It's going to tell me that it's connecting and how much it's connecting to, but I'm not going to be able to actually do any PC VR gaming with this cord at the moment. So as I said before, I don't have a PC, so I don't do PC VR. I can't show you that, but I can show you here still a few things on my Mac. So you can see on SideQuest it is connected. Everything is easy there. And then I do have my Android file transfer up here. So if I did want to transfer a file to the Quest using this cable, I've got one here that is, I think, what do I got here? Here we go. We'll just do one that's 9 gigs, and you'll see here how fast it can transfer something like that. So we're looking at 9 gigs. We got about a minute remaining. It's done 1 gig in less than 10 seconds there. And so the speed of this transfer is very good. Again, the cables themselves are very solid. The cord itself is good. I guess the only thing that I like personally better is just braided cords instead of just the rubber outside coating of the cords. I like that it comes with the holders both for your headset and for your computer itself. Things are solid, things are sturdy, nothing's really going anywhere. You can see there we're already over halfway transferring a 9 gigabyte file. If you can transfer a 9 gigabyte file, 8.5 gigabytes in less than a minute, that data transfer speed is pretty fast, definitely really fast. And so if you're looking for a cord that is not only good for charging but good for high-speed data transfer, this is definitely one to consider getting. If you use my promo code Brian Sloan, all capital letters, you can get a 5% discount on the Kiwi Store. I will link that below where you can find it. Make sure you check out all my other VR accessory reviews, and we'll see you next time here on Brian Sloan Artist.